Number 1. This 1939 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed, priced at $15,000 and located in Holly, Texas, is a rare, fully custom-built classic truck that combines vintage styling with powerful modern engineering. Finished in deep black with a contrasting tan interior, this unique build has been driven only 11,000 miles, and it remains in strong mechanical condition with a clean title and no significant damage reported. Owned by a single builder who invested years of craftsmanship, the truck features a 6-inch chop, giving the cab a low, aggressive, hot rod profile. Power comes from a 5.7 Hemi engine, delivering strong acceleration and dependable performance. Supporting components include rack and pinion steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, coilovers, ladder bars, and a Ford 8-inch rear end, all designed to handle power efficiently. One of the most notable touches is the truck bed, sourced from a 2018 Dodge Mega Cab dually and professionally narrowed 18 inches to match the proportions of the 1939 cab. This build represents 3+ years of continuous work, blending modern engineering with pre-war Chevrolet charm. The computer system can be tuned for added performance, and the truck starts and runs as smoothly as a late-model vehicle. The seller is open to reasonable offers and possible trades involving trucks with added cash. As a truly one-of-a-kind build, this 1939 Chevrolet 1500 stands out as a total custom creation, perfect for collectors and hot rod lovers seeking a unique blend of classic style and modern power. Number 2. This 1955 Chevrolet First Series, priced at $49,000 and located in Leavenworth, Kansas, is a beautifully restored classic showcasing timeless mid-50s styling and reliable mechanical performance. Finished in a clean blue exterior with a black interior, the truck presents a sharp, unmistakably vintage look. Although the odometer shows 100,000 miles, actual mileage is unknown due to a replaced speedometer and odometer, which is common for older restorations. The truck underwent a complete frame-up restoration, ensuring structural integrity and cosmetic freshness throughout its body, bed, frame, and interior components. Power comes from the dependable 235 cubic inch inline-6 engine, delivering classic mid-century driving character. Paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, it offers an authentic vintage driving experience that many enthusiasts appreciate. With a clean title, well-preserved finish, and no major mechanical issues reported, this First Series pickup stands as an excellent choice for weekend cruising, car shows, or classic truck collections. The seller is open to offers and encourages interested buyers to call and leave a message. Number 3. 1932 Ford 3-window coupe. Price, $52,500. Located, Navarre, Florida, this 1932 Ford 3-window coupe is a beautifully crafted build in like-new condition, tailored for the buyer who values quality workmanship and modern upgrades paired with legendary 1932 Ford styling. Featuring a fiberglass body set atop a solid chassis, this coupe is powered by a potent SPF 347 engine paired with a smooth Ford AOD automatic transmission, offering both dependable cruising power and effortless highway performance. The suicide electric doors, shaved handles, shaved hinges, and clean exterior lines create a sleek, seamless look that enhances its classic hot rod profile. Equipped with vintage air and heat, electric windows, and a power trunk lid, this coupe blends comfort with convenience. The front suspension features a height stainless steel EFO setup, while the rear uses a strong 4-link system for excellent stability and smooth road manners. With extremely minimal use, described as not being driven enough to justify keeping, it remains exceptionally clean, well-maintained, and ready for its next owner. The seller notes that it was a bucket list purchase, now checked off, making this the perfect opportunity for someone seeking a high-quality 1932 coupe that requires no additional work. The vehicle is paid off and comes with a clean title, ensuring a straightforward ownership transfer, whether for weekend cruising, car shows, or simply the enjoyment of owning a top-tier classic street rod. This 1932 Ford 3-window coupe delivers outstanding performance, craftsmanship, and long-term value. Number 4. 1950 Pontiac Chieftain Silver Streak. Price, $3,500. Located, Livonia, Michigan. This 1950 Pontiac Chieftain Silver Streak is a solid project car for enthusiasts who appreciate early-era American classics with strong potential for restoration. It retains its original 239 CI straight-six engine paired with a hydromatic 4-speed automatic transmission, offering a correct powertrain setup for collectors who value authenticity. The car currently runs, drives, and stops, making it a workable starting point for someone looking to restore, refine, or customize a classic at an affordable price. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump, new fuel filter, and fresh spark plugs, providing a more reliable running condition. While the engine operates, the seller notes that a carburetor cleaning and new plug wires would help improve performance further. The brakes function, though the pedal feels soft, indicating that service or adjustment may be needed. Rust is present on the rockers, and the underbody was previously undercoat, which may have helped preserve certain areas over time. The vehicle comes with a clean green title, ensuring smooth transfer to the next owner. The seller is primarily open to trades, especially for square-body trucks, other classic vehicles, or motorcycles, though cash offers will also be considered. With its classic 1950 styling, distinctive silver streak design, and workable mechanical condition, this Pontiac Chieftain is perfect for hobbyists wanting a budget-friendly vintage project. Number 5. 1934 Ford The August 5th Sedan Delivery Price, $37,000. Location, Newark, Ohio. This rare all-steel 1934 Ford the 5th 8 sedan delivery combines timeless Ford styling with reliable modern performance. With 60,000 miles, it remains well cared for and mechanically dependable. Finished in bold orange, the car carries strong street presence and classic proportions. Power comes from a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The Mustang front end improves steering and ride quality, making it suitable for both shows and regular cruising. The sedan delivery body style adds further desirability among collectors. The seller is also open to certain trades, including wrecker or rollback trucks. Number 6. 1934 Dodge Coupe. Price, $49,900. Location, Winchester, Ohio. This all-steel 1934 Dodge Coupe is a premium, well-built classic showcasing quality craftsmanship throughout. Powered by a 350 Chevy crate engine with a turbo automatic transmission, it offers strong performance and smooth driving. Equipped with a Mustang 2 front suspension, QA1 coilovers, rack and pinion steering, and power front disc brakes, it delivers modern handling and road safety. The polished stainless fuel tank and mufflers complement the clean, show-quality undercarriage. Inside, custom upholstery, an overhead console with Kenwood stereo, matching trunk panels, door locks, and seatbelts create a refined cabin. Billet Specialties wheels with new BFG radials complete its stance. IT has passed the NSRA 23-point safety inspection and will appear at the NSRA Nationals in Louisville. Number 7. 1937 Chevrolet Coupe. Price, $29,500. Location, Bowling Green, Kentucky. This 1937 Chevrolet Coupe presents a clean, well-maintained classic capturing the charm of late 1930s hot rod styling. Powered by a 350 engine and automatic transmission, it offers dependable performance for both cruising and daily enjoyment. Power steering ensures smooth maneuvering, while front disc brakes provide improved stopping power. The vehicle is rated as used good, reflecting careful use and consistent upkeep. A great entry-level classic for enthusiasts wanting reliability and vintage appeal. Number 8. 1934 Ford Truck. Price, $26,500. Location, Cynthiana, Kentucky. This 1934 Ford truck is a classic old-school hot rod with strong traditional appeal. Finished in vibrant red with a white interior, it has unmistakable vintage character. Power comes from a 49 to 53 8BA flathead engine, paired with a 1939 Ford 3-speed toploader manual transmission for an authentic period-correct feel. A dropped front axle gives it classic hot rod stance, while the 8-inch Ford rear end with 2.79 gears ensures stable cruising. Drum brakes at all corners maintain its traditional mechanical setup. Recent upgrades include new brake pads and shocks, The seller is open to trades but not project vehicles. Number 9. 1934 Ford 3-window custom street rod, price $64,500. Located in Hope, Indiana, this custom 1934 Ford 3-window street rod stands as a true high-end build crafted with exceptional attention to detail. Designed for both show-quality presentation and powerful performance, it represents one of the finest examples of a professionally constructed street rod in today's market. Power comes from a Chevrolet 383 cubic inch engine built by Warrior Racing Engines, featuring dual quad carburetors, a roller cam, aluminum heads, and MSD ignition. The engine produces an impressive 453 horsepower on the dyno, with only 200 miles since the build. The powertrain is paired to a 700R automatic transmission and supported by premium components including a Walker radiator, Heights polished tubular front suspension, Flaming River power rack and pinion steering, polished stainless brake lines, and Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes. Comfort and convenience are equally emphasized. The car is equipped with vintage air conditioning that blows ice cold, along with a modern keyless entry system. Inside, the interior was professionally designed and executed by cutters. It features BMW leather, alligator skin inserts, wise guy seating, and German square weave carpeting, all finished with custom stitching to create a refined, show-ready cabin environment. With only 1,783 actual miles, this award-winning Ford has earned multiple honors, including the prestigious Gucci's DuPont Hot Hues Best Use of Color Award. Originally commissioned by a discerning collector, this offering marks the first time the vehicle has ever been made available for public sale. Virtual viewing and shipping coordination are offered for serious buyers. Located in Hope, Indiana, this 1934 Ford is an outstanding choice for collectors seeking unmatched craftsmanship, premium components, and top-tier show quality. Number 10. 1953 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Classic 3100. Price $28,500. Located, Savannah, Missouri, this 1953 Chevrolet 3100 convertible custom is a beautifully built classic pickup that blends timeless styling with modern comfort upgrades, making it a highly desirable choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Powered by a 305 small block engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, the truck delivers smooth performance and reliable power for both cruising and daily driving. With only 17,000 miles on the build, the mechanical components remain in excellent condition, reflecting proper care and recent craftsmanship. The exterior showcases a deep burgundy finish that highlights the classic curves of the vintage 3100 design, while the gray interior has been refreshed with new leather upholstery for added comfort and visual appeal. The truck features newer tires, an upgraded Alpine sound system, and fully functioning gauges and lights, ensuring both convenience and safety. As a convertible custom build, it offers a unique open-top driving experience that sets it apart from most classic pickups. The truck runs and drives great, presenting strong reliability and impressive road presence. The paint is rated an 8 out of 10, showing that it remains attractive with only minimal flaws typical of a driven classic. Located just an hour north of Kansas City, this Chevrolet 3100 offers an excellent combination of vintage style, custom craftsmanship, and dependable performance, perfect for collectors seeking a standout classic truck with modern comforts. Number 11. This 1930 Ford pickup, priced at $16,900 and located in Mansfield, Texas, is a charming vintage street rod blending early Ford design with modern performance upgrades. Finished in vibrant yellow with a black interior, it carries the unmistakable character of a classic hot rod, driven 2,000 miles since completion and equipped with a clean title. The truck features a lively Chevrolet small block V8, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission and a Chevy 12-bolt rear end. The engine starts easily, idles smoothly, and provides engaging torque, perfect for weekend drives or local car meets. Inside, the cabin is compact but functional, offering power windows and a tilt steering column, uncommon features for vehicles of this era. The craftsmanship shows throughout, from the running boards to the bed, paintwork, and body lines, all maintaining the essence of a true 1930s Ford while benefiting from upgraded reliability. More photos and videos will be available soon, making this an ideal choice for buyers seeking a classic hot rod that delivers both nostalgia and modern-day drivability. Number 12. This 1934 Chevrolet Custom Silverado 1500 Limited Regular Cab, priced at $19,000 and located in Conroe, Texas, is a fully custom vintage build that blends early-era styling with modern comfort and functionality. Finished in deep green with a gray interior, the truck has 10,000 miles and carries a clean title with no major damage reported. Shaved door handles add a smooth, updated hot rod look. Power comes from a GM V6 engine, exact model unspecified, that runs well and delivers reliable cruising performance. The build includes functioning air conditioning and an automatic transmission, making it more daily friendly than many classics of the 1930s. Seller notes that a damaged mesh cover on the passenger side has been repaired and will be reinstalled after sale. They are open to offers and can provide additional photos and videos. This 1934 custom truck is ideal for buyers wanting vintage flavor combined with practicality and dependable road-ready performance.